Hey, 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 Leah. Why are you talking? I'm doing my work. What seems to be the problem? I think scaring Yohoszhua at the door is going to get so. I think so. They will get so scared. We should play a prank on them. Don't you think? That sounds like a very good idea, but I don't know if that's really that nice. It's none of your business. Okay, I'm just telling you. I just want to tell you. Time to go home, class. See you tomorrow. Bye, Mrs. Hogg.
There's none on the door.
We should go check.
I know, let's go check.
Let's go open. Hello, anyone here?
There seems to be no one. Let's go back inside.
Okay.
Darn it! We should do it again.
Well, that's a failure. Let's just try one more time. Let's just try again.
Okay then. Seriously? Again? Who could be there?
I could hear them.
Let's go open the door, Yohoszhua.
Bradley, there's no people here.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, I could hear some laughing. We should go, check it. Hello? Anyone there?
Stop.
I know who that is. Well, let's just go back inside.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! They did it again. Well, they didn't even catch us. We're too good at this. Let's give up. No!
Please, we really need to win. We should just scare him as a prank.
Yeah, we should scare them.
One more time. If they don't, then we'll have to quit the game, okay?
Okay.
Let's go open. Hello? Anyone here?
There seems to be no one. Let's go back inside.
Okay. Well, let's just go and oh, I can hear some laughing.
Let's just open the door. We know who that is.
Oh, I know them. Takashi and Leah. Oh man, you caught us. That was a really great game. And like Bradley was so confused.
I thought that was like a ghost, but it was actually you two who was wanted to trick us. We should try to do it on you too, as a revenge.
That game was really fun. The doorbell ditch. It's like on like social media.
I know. That game was pretty fun though. We have to go inside now. Our mom's calling us for dinner.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.